Imagine a frozen giant from beyond the stars, an object weighing more than 3 million Titanic ships racing through our solar system right now. This isn't science fiction, it's real. Astronomers have confirmed that the interstellar comet known as 3I Atlas is far bigger and heavier than anyone expected. In today's video, we'll uncover why 3I Atlas has shocked the scientific community, what makes it so different from any comet we've ever seen, and how it could completely rewrite our understanding of cosmic visitors. Stay with me until the end, because new data from NASA and the James Webb Space Telescope reveals a detail so strange, even veteran scientists are struggling to explain it. The story of 3I Atlas began on July 1st, 2025, when the Atlas telescope in Chile picked up a fast-moving speck of light in the night sky. At first glance, it seemed like just another comet, but when astronomers calculated its path, they saw something extraordinary. It was traveling on a hyperbolic trajectory, a path not bound to the sun. That meant only one thing: this object came from beyond our solar system. With this discovery, 3I Atlas officially joined the short list of interstellar visitors, after Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. But even in its first days of observation, 3I Atlas already showed signs that it would not follow the rules of a typical comet. Early measurements shocked astronomers. The nucleus of 3I Atlas was estimated to be more than 5 kilometers across, already bigger than Borisov, the second interstellar visitor. But what truly stunned the community was not just its size, but its weight. Despite clear signs of outgassing, the comet barely shifted from the pull of gravity. By modeling the balance between gas jets and the comet's motion, scientists concluded that its mass must be at least 33 billion tons. To put that into perspective, that's heavier than 3 million Titanic ships combined. Imagine the weight of a floating mountain crossing our skies at interstellar speed. This was no ordinary comet. It was a giant unlike anything astronomers had ever seen before. According to current models, interstellar space should be filled with countless tiny fragments, leftovers from the birth of distant planetary systems. Statistically, we should have spotted dozens of small pieces before ever encountering something this massive. And yet, the first 3 interstellar visitors we've discovered, Oumuamua, Borisov, and now 3I Atlas, are all relatively large. The odds of finding such giants so early are extremely low. And that's what makes 3I Atlas such a puzzle. It challenges our theories of how planets and comets form, and how debris spreads across the galaxy. When astronomers looked deeper, they found chemical fingerprints that set 3I Atlas apart from any comet we've studied before. Data from the James Webb Space Telescope revealed an unusually high ratio of carbon dioxide to water, about 8:1. Making it one of the most carbon dioxide-rich comets ever observed. Ultraviolet readings confirmed that it was venting water vapor at great distances from the sun. Far earlier than expected, polarization studies showed sunlight scattering off its dust in a pattern never seen in typical comets, hinting at unique grain structures from a very different birth environment. And perhaps the strangest clue, some early data suggested nickel without iron, a combination almost never found in natural processes, darkened together. These features painted a picture of a comet that was not just massive, but chemically mysterious. The strange mass and chemistry of 3I Atlas quickly sparked debates among scientists. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb suggested that if these anomalies hold true, natural explanations might not be enough. He raised the possibility that interstellar objects might include artificial origins, an idea as bold as it is controversial. On the other hand, NASA's Tom Statler offered a more cautious view. It looks and acts like a comet, but its anomalies force us to keep questioning. This clash of perspectives gave 3 Atlas not only scientific importance, but also a touch of mystery that captivates the public imagination. As 3I Atlas moves closer to the Sun, astronomers are bracing for a unique test. In late September 2025, space weather forecasts predicted that a powerful coronal mass ejection, a CME, could collide with the comet. If it happened, the impact could disturb or even snap off its ion tail, just as it did with Comet Encke back in 2007. Such an event would be temporary, but it would mark the first time humanity has ever witnessed an interstellar comet directly struck by the Sun. For scientists, it's a rare cosmic experiment, one that could reveal how such a massive object reacts under solar fire. The next big milestone comes in early October 2025, when the high-rise camera aboard the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter will attempt to capture high-resolution images of 3I Atlas. After that, the comet will slip into solar conjunction, disappearing behind the Sun from Earth's perspective. But the story doesn't end there. In December 2025, 3I Atlas will re-emerge, brighter and more active than ever, as it reaches the peak of its journey. For astronomers, these windows are priceless opportunities to study an interstellar comet at its most dynamic moment. And for the rest of us, it's a reminder that the cosmos still has surprises waiting just beyond the glare of the Sun. While 3I Atlas captures the headlines today, the future of interstellar discovery belongs to the Vera C. Rubin Observatory. In its very first night of operation, Rubin scanned the sky and catalogued thousands of new asteroids in just 10 hours. Over the coming years, its continuous surveys will almost certainly reveal more interstellar visitors, objects that smaller telescopes could easily miss. With a larger sample size, astronomers will finally be able to answer the burning question: is 3IA TLAS a rare outlier, or part of a hidden population of massive objects drifting between the stars? Either way, the Rubin Observatory promises to transform our understanding of the universe. Massive, mysterious, and impossible to ignore. 3I Atlas is not just another comet. It's a cosmic riddle written across the sky. As it nears the Sun, astronomers will be watching closely, seizing every chance to decode its secrets. For us, it's a reminder that the universe is still alive with surprises, and that sometimes the most extraordinary stories arrive from beyond the stars. Stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll explore the 3 leading theories that might explain why 3I Atlas is so unusually rich in carbon dioxide, and what that could mean for Earth.